Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. For this sequence, we need chair and also a pillow. So right now, I'm gonna leave my pillow by the side. Okay. Keep your feet flat on the mat or on the floor and sit up nice and easy. And from here, keep your knees about your hip distance. Okay, open about your hip distance. Okay. Inhale, exhale, tilt your neck to your head to your right. And up. Inhale, exhale, tilt to the left. Up. And right. Back. And left. Nice and easy with control movement. Very gentle. And connect your movement with your breathing. Good. So now rotate your shoulders. Bring your shoulder to the ears and drop back and down. Bring your knee to the ears and now down. And connect with pranayama and avoid any discomfort movement. And try to have a big range of shoulder motion. And now let's do reverse circle. Nice and easy. Without tensing up your muscle. One more. So now we're gonna do seated modified cat and cow pose. Okay? Inhale, look, gaze up and open your chest, lifting up your sternum. Exhale, roll your back, tuck your chin. Inhale, arch your back, open collarbone, open your chest. Exhale, roll your back, round through your neck to the tailbone. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat pose. Widen your collarbones, round through the spine. And warm up the shoulders. Create range of motion. And you should feel nice and easy and comfortable. I'm feeling nice shoulder stretch. And as you proceed, you may feel light on the shoulders. lightness, light like feather. And back to center. And now inhale, thread through the needle and hug your elbows. Sway. Spine straight. After 5 deep breaths, and release. Other side. And release. Now grab the pillow. Place on top of your thigh. And inhale, exhale forward. And absolutely no tension around your neck, around your shoulders. And slowly roll up. So now, place a pillow on the mat. Okay, let's remove your chair out of the way. And lay down on your back. And then I want you to place your pillow underneath your chest, behind your stomach, to lift up your chest and support your shoulders. And the palms facing up, place your arms by the side. And try to find good spots. I had a little bit slide downward to create a good support around your shoulders and open your chest. So let's take final pose of modified Shavasana by using your pillow to support your shoulders. Open up your chest. Inhale, exhale, open your mouth, sigh out. Let it go. And spend time as long as you need. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!